Hi, in this video, I'll show you on how to add radio buttons as a choice in your screen flow. So, like in this example, so as you can see, I was able to show the opportunity type on the screen flow, and the choices are radio button. So let's start. Again, we're gonna go to Setup, Flow, search for Flow. I'm just going to be reusing my screen flow previously. Now click on Screen, Edit. Next is we want to click on radio button. You can either click on it or drag it. So for this one, for the label, I'm going to put it as type. Now we're going to create the choice for the radio buttons. So new resource, pick list choice set. For the API name, it will be type. Object is opportunity. Data type is pick list. And we're going to do opportunity type and save. Now, don't worry if it shows like this. It's just how it is shown for radio button choices. But if you click done, because I used API name twice for type, okay, click done, save, and then run it, you'll be able to see the options now for the type. And that's it on how to use radio button to show choices for your users on a screen flow. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.